Did you know she used to be a guy? What?
Very much a tomboy when I met her.
Taray, sexy ni mother. Yes naman, taray. Iba. Congratulations, I'm so happy to see you here tonight. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show. Grabe, ako makautos. Ba't ganun yung mga kumakautos ka naman nabili ko? Sabi, huy, autograph. Kung sulatan ko yung mukha mo, mother. Huwag naman dyan, sayang yung damit mo. Sa bra na lang, mother. It's okay, okay. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. So ganito, meron pa kami isang gagawin. Since I'm sure you guys love to sing, sinong gustong kumanta kasama ako? Ang dami. Kailangan ko ng 76. Charot. Sino? Ikaw, kuya, halika nila. Papasukin niyo naman si kuya. Ito si kuya.